Hi everyone, this is the LAMTTO dash cam. It's a 4K unit and it includes all the accessories that you need. It has the front camera, which is a 4K, rear camera is a 1080p. It also comes with a SD card and all the mounting equipment that you need and the power source. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this in and show you how it works. Okay, as far as the installation goes, it's very quick and easy. You just remove the film off the suction cup. Let's go ahead and remove the film off the 4K camera. And then we're going to position that suction cup up and the camera down. At the same time, I'm going to go ahead and plug in the power source. I won't plug it into the actual jack yet until I get the rear camera done. But that just plugs right in the back here. Regular C-clip. Okay, we've got that done. All right, so we've got our rear-facing camera. You do want to go ahead and remove the film off the camera lens. This is a 1080p. And then you have a 360 rotating camera right here. So we'll go ahead and remove our film off our rear tape. We'll go ahead and just install that and then rotate the camera right to the back. There we go. And now we'll take our wire, undo that, and route that up to the front. All right, so we'll go ahead and plug our rear view camera in, right in the port, right beside the power, and get that mounted, and then point it the direction we want. There's a little thumb on the side of it. You just tighten that up so it doesn't swing. Remove the back film. Okay, now we'll go ahead and plug it into our power source, and it automatically comes up. The camera is currently recording. You can see the little red light flashing on and on. This is on a loop. It's up preset to a 1-minute loop. You can extend that to a 5-minute loop if you'd like. Some of the attributes to this, this will do it, like I said, a recorded loop. If this has a hard jar or a bump, like you in an accident, this will actually trap that moment in time so that you could use this footage for your insurance company. Okay, so you can see the main screen as the forward-facing camera, and then in the upper right-hand corner, that is the rear-facing camera. You do want to make sure that the cord for the rear-facing camera is fully depressed in to make sure you have that connection. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and load up the app and connect this up to my Wi-Fi on my phone. I have the app loaded on my phone. Now you can go through and set what you want as far as your preferences. You have videos resolution, loop duration. You can set that, like I said. You can go up to 3 minutes on that. I thought it was 5, but it's actually 3. So we went to 3 minutes on that. Automatic screen off time, 1 minute. Let's go ahead and put that to 5 minutes. So that's on 5 minutes. Collision sensing is on medium. So if you have a collision, that'll lock in this video for if you need insurance purposes. You have key voice, parking guard. We will go ahead and just turn that on. So if you're in a parking area and someone hits you, that'll automatically come on and video what is going on at that point in time. So if they back out or whatever, drive away, you at least get the identification off their vehicle. All right, and then the rest of this is just information for the camera. So as far as loading the app is very easy, very convenient, very simple to do. Just load it on the phone and then just go through and connect up to the unit itself. So there you have it, the LAMTTO car window, in this case, video recorder, and it also comes with the rear video, and you can see that up in this upper right hand corner. So if you're looking for a great little dash cam for your vehicle, I would definitely suggest LAMTTO.